Good morning. This is Ravi Prem, President of ICTMA. We are hosting a conclave on 19th of April. I would like to request you to participate in this conclave. Collectively would like to address the challenges which we all are facing as a cutting tool fraternity, be it the availability of raw material, availability of technology, all latest developments which are happening in the field of technology to cater to the demanding applications which are emerging as a growth opportunity area for all of us. And of course, big companies will have all that infrastructure to cater to it, but obviously the small companies, those who cannot afford to it, have this kind of infrastructure from where they draw the technology expertise is something which we'd like to discuss and try to give the avenues to participate and see the expertise are drawn. That's one set of the address which we'll try to do. There are the policy decisions which is related to the different imports coming from different countries, which are actually hampering the volume growth of the cutting tool industry in India. That's the second agenda which we'd like to do. And third is, of course, how the industry is evolving. What are those end users' expectations from the cutting tool companies is something which we'd like to discuss jointly, so that at least the roadmap broadly can be defined and take this forward to the next level. Looking forward to see you on 19th of April. Thank you very much.